Hi everybody, I'm TySlim and welcome to TySlimVlogs. Today we're going to film a little video of how I ice a cake. We're going to start with some Betty Crocker cream cheese frosting, and to get this going and make it a little bit easier to spread, we are actually going to whip it in the mixer. So we're going to put it in the KitchenAid mixer, and then we're going to get the whipping head all hooked up, and then we're going to turn the mixer on, and we're going to use this function here for about 2 minutes, and it's just going to kind of aerate that frosting and make it much easier to spread. Okay, now after you've whipped it for 2 minutes, you're going to set up your dolly. This is a moving dolly. I use these things for everything. I have the ability to pick up heavy stuff, but I like to use wheels if I can. And then this is just a paint scraper that I had in my toolbox. So I cleaned everything up, and now I'm just going to lay down that first layer of icing. Just get a nice even layer, nothing exciting here. And these are 9-inch round cakes. Using 2 9-inch rounds. You can use 8-inch rounds, but it's just what I had. So, and you can see this little dolly is like a rotisserie. I guess you could buy if you're in the cake biz, but I am not. So I'm using what I have. And now I'm going to put the second round on top, and you can see that I got a little greedy and it broke, but guess what? That doesn't matter. We're just gonna slap some frosting on it and fill the gap, and nobody is ever gonna know. That's kind of the beauty of this. It's kind of like if you're fixing a hole in your wall and you're doing a little bit of plaster work. So just gonna slap some on there and fill that kind of void that I created myself, and just going to spin the rotisserie, or the moving dolly actually, in a circle, and use that to your advantage and ice away. Now, the major advantage of using this moving dolly or rotisserie is you can just kind of smoothly go around things, spinning in a circle, and then just kind of just really grease it out, you know, get that smooth finish, and it just makes your life a whole lot easier than trying to wrap your head in a circle. And then you can just really just finish off with the finishing touches. You know, and a cake that you make yourself is just a lot more thoughtful than going to the store and buying one. I mean, I have a renowned bakery a couple miles from me, but I think the special person in my life that I'm making this for will enjoy it more. And now you just want to clean up your loose edges here and just get that final finishing touch, you know, so it looks good. And now I'm just going to use some sprinkles here that I had. I don't know how old they are. I didn't have much. I didn't go crazy. Just some pink and some purple, whatever I had. You can go anything. I was thinking about putting some piping some icing on there, but you know what? I think this is just it's going to be good. So it's going to be nice. The person's going to love it. It's going to be very thoughtful. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe. I am TySlim. Stay positive.